khulngakpa village volunteer sing arambai tengol amadi ate topa khulngakpa singbo protection pibinanabagi damak ngasi governor da Human Rights International Federation na ai bachero fisin duna takshin krep Human Rights International Federation ge State Director Dr. Muzamil Khan na khoyak piduna governor da pisin kiba cherol aduda narco terrorist na India ge sovereignty amasung security da singna duna landarakpa matamda village volunteer sing asina kathokpona mang tharga India ge sovereignty amasung security asibu ngaknanabagi damak logjakheba thogdang adu nahognana ningsingki Indian Constitution ki Article 51 ki makhada Indian citizen khudimakna laibak asik unity amasung integrity ngaknanabagi damakta pangthokpom thokpa constitutional duty adu pangthokhiba village volunteer singda hojik faba punba amasung aki akang piriba asi lepinaba amasung kangluki irang asina maram oiraga village volunteer singna thengnariba puning amasung wakhalgi awaba si koknanabagi damak comprehensive rehabilitation scheme hokdokpiba amasung Kangluki irang asida sokraba amasung laikhidraba village volunteer singi mafamda matik chaba ex gracia pibinabasu taksin ki haire